In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can send money on PayPal just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to start sending money on PayPal, it's easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to open your PayPal account like this. Go to your PayPal home page and you should see over here send money. Okay, click on send money like this and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to put the email of the person that you want to send money to. Okay, so for example, I want to send money to, you just need to put the name of use or username or email or even mobile phone. Okay, phone number. So I already have some friends here. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. So just click on the person that you want to send the money to, and this is the person. So I will, so for example, you want to send, for example, $2. What's this for? Family. It's just for family. And I will click over here on next, and so it's just for family. So what you will do next, you just need to click on next, then you will click on send, and that's it. That's how we can send money on PayPal. It's super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.